Today we are going to talk about how to make tie-dye paper. And for this, we are actually going to be using our markers straight onto the table. We're going to use analogous colors for our painted paper. So analogous colors are colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. I'm going to do either warm or cool, or I might do a combination, but they need to be analogous. So I'm going to start with yellow because it's the lightest, and I'm going to trace around my paper so I know that I only need to color in this space on the table. I'm going to set my paper off to the side, and I'm going to use the side of my marker to color because then it's going to look really wide like this. If I use the point of my marker, it doesn't color nearly as well. So I'm going to use the side of my marker, and I'm just going to randomly color some areas of this rectangle. Now I'm going to go to my next color on the color wheel, which would be orange. And I'm going to color nearby where I've got my yellow. It's hard to see because I'm on a black table, but it'll work. It'll end up being a really cool surprise whenever I pick it up. Now I'm going to go to red, and then I might have room for some pink in here too. I'm using the side of my marker, and I'm going really quickly so that my color doesn't dry up. I'm going to fill in these last little bits. It's important to get as much color on here as possible so I don't have empty spaces when I reveal it. So I'm going to try to fill all those empty spaces. Okay, now I'm going to put my markers off to the side, and I'm going to use a spray bottle. This is just water, and I'm going to spray my area just a little bit. Okay. The side with my name on it, I want to keep that up. So I'm going to be printing on the blank side. I'll lay my paper down, press it so I've got all the middle and all the corners, and you can see the color is starting to show. Voila! I've got a really cool tie-dye paper effect.